Hey, Lindsay, if you hear some background noise, I'm sorry about that. I'm actually outside at a lacrosse game, but I got your pictures in my travels yesterday, and I really appreciate your drive, your ambition. So I only have to, if I can only just match how awesome you are. Now, you were asking about how they don't seem to add up, and let's see if we can resolve that. So your step one, if you will, to find the total resistance, the voltage and the current of the whole circuit, those are perfect. Nothing you need to worry about, and maybe that's not where the details are that you're concerned with. So instead, let's focus in on how did you start breaking down the resistors. And what you did superbly is you identified, because of color coding, that resistor 1, the 20 ohm resistor on the top path, gets all 40 volts. And then current is, of course, 2 amps. Well done. So if the top path gets 2 amps, that is the R1, then the lower path also has to get 2 amps. And that means R2 gets 2 amps. Flawless. And then you finish the row. V equals IR 16 volts. Okay? So far, so good. Now, then the current splits. And where does it split? Well, it splits here in the orange region. So you mentioned that R3 gets 4 amps, and it can't because there's 2 amps coming into this split, so the current has to divide. So here's what you do. You instead think about voltage. We don't know the split of currents. We don't think about that. Instead, we go, okay, 16 volts are dropped here. And do you see how pink to blue is 40 volts? So what is 40 minus 16? And of course, 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. And you were right. They both get 24 volts. Fantastic. But then I think you might have... I'm actually at a school I used to teach at, and it's the lacrosse team, and they just got their fired up. So if you hear background noise, sorry about that. I'll try to be a little louder. I can't really get rid of them. So I think the only boxes that I'm interested in examining are these two. And I think what you might have done, I'm not sure how, is, because you're trying to do a lot, that's maybe what happened, is that 24 volts divided by 60 ohms is not 4 amps. Okay, 24 over 60. They are really psyched up. 24 divided by 60 is 0.4. 0.4 added to 1.6 is adding up to 2, and that's this problem. This is the bottom of 35.